how to attach the grass catcher bag or the bagger to a Ryobi 40V electric mower. So here I have my Ryobi lawnmower, and this flap at the back here, you want to lift it up and then get your grass catcher, and you see these little lugs here. You want to attach these to the back of the mower. Let me show you in better detail. It's on both sides, as you can see. So we lift this flap up at the back, and you can see on the mower there's these two lugs what you need to attach them little hooks onto. So lift the flap, get the grass catcher, put those two hooks over them lugs on the back of the mower. Once they're caught like that, you can release the flap and you'll have successfully attached your grass catcher to your Ryobi electric lawnmower. If you found this video helpful, help me out by smashing a like, smashing a subscribe, and thank you for watching.